Project code is ITAER12. Aim of this project is to monitor fish tank using wireless sensor network. Abstract. In real-time scenario, the fish tank is monitored using manpower. So in real time, if there is no presence of manpower, it leads to dies of fishes in tank. So it will be major drawback in maintaining fish tank. Drawbacks: loss of fish life, no if no manpower, leads to improper maintenance. Existing system. In existing, manually monitor fish tank. So nutrition for fish is not utilized properly. Drawback: no monitoring, loss of fish life, no automation. Proposed system: monitoring fish tank using via IoT. Automatic process. Advantages: nutrition for fish is utilized. No manpower required. So working model. So sensors are connected to controller. So Arduino controller. pH sensor is connected to controller to monitor water purity. Ultrasonic sensor to check water level in fish tank. And if no water level is low, so water is automatically filled using pump motor. So everything is monitored in IoT. Everything is monitored in IoT. So block diagram. So Arduino Mega is main microcontroller, input for controller. So temperature and humidity to check water temperature and humidity, and to check pH level of water and air quality in surrounding the fish tank. Ultrasonic sensor to check water level in fish tank. Output. Output is LCD display is output is displayed in LCD display. Servo motor to feed food, and pump motor and light are used to fill water and maintain temperature. Everything is displayed in IoT. So hardware used in our project Arduino Mega. So Arduino Mega operating voltage is 5 volt DC, 54 digital input output pins, 16 analog pins, 3 UART protocol for serial communication, next pH sensor. So pH sensor is used to check the water purity level. Next ultrasonic sensor. What to check water level in fish tank. Pump motor to refill water. LED is to maintain temperature. LCD display consists 16 columns and 2 rows. To display status of sensors. RTC is real-time clock. So the fish tank is scheduled on time to provide water, to check water level or temperature, everything. Okay, and everything is monitored using IoT, Internet of Things. Application. Fish tank monitoring, agricultural land monitoring, conclusion. So from this proposed system, we can monitor fish tank using sensors in IoT. Thank you.